What if I told you that the coldest place on Earth is hiding secrets that could rewrite our understanding of life, geology, and even climate? Antarctica, often called the Forgotten Continent, is unlike any other landmass on the planet. From its unique formation to its untold geological treasures, this icy frontier remains a puzzle waiting to be solved. So what makes Antarctica so special, and why is it so different from every other continent? Let's dive in. Birth of Antarctica. Antarctica wasn't always the frozen wasteland we know today. Over 200 million years ago, it was part of the supercontinent Pangaea. As tectonic plates shifted, Antarctica broke away and gradually drifted southward. Surprisingly, it was once covered in lush forests and inhabited by dinosaurs. Fossils discovered under the ice confirmed this tropical past, showing that it was a vibrant ecosystem before it froze over about 34 million years ago. The dramatic shift happened when Antarctica became isolated by the formation of the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, a powerful ocean current that traps cold water around the continent, preventing warm currents from reaching it. This isolation transformed Antarctica into a land dominated by ice, covering 98% of its surface. Hidden beneath the ice, beneath Antarctica's thick ice sheets lies a mysterious world. There are over 400 subglacial lakes, with Lake Vostok being the most famous. Buried under 3.5 kilometers of ice, this lake remains liquid due to geothermal heat. What's fascinating is that scientists have discovered microbial life in its extreme conditions, raising questions about life in similar environments on other planets. But that's not all. Beneath the ice is also one of the largest canyon systems on Earth, rivaling the Grand Canyon in depth and length. This massive trench system is largely unexplored, and scientists believe it holds clues to the Earth's geological history. The discovery of these hidden features highlights how much we still don't know about this frozen continent. Harshest climate on Earth, Antarctica holds the title of the coldest, driest, and windiest continent. Temperatures can plummet to an astonishing -144 degrees Fahrenheit, -98 degrees Celsius during winter, making it feel like another planet. The continent is also home to katabatic winds, which are cold, dense air currents that rush down its slopes at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. These winds make Antarctica one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Despite these harsh conditions, some areas, such as the Antarctic Peninsula, experience slightly milder weather, with temperatures rising above freezing during summer months. However, even this temporary warmth is a stark contrast to the continent's icy core. Wildlife of Antarctica. Antarctica's extreme environment is home to some of the most resilient creatures on Earth. Emperor penguins, seals, and a variety of seabirds thrive here, adapting to the freezing temperatures and limited food supply. Interestingly, not all penguins live in Antarctica. Only 7 of the 17 penguin species are found here, with the rest inhabiting other parts of the southern hemisphere. Marine life in the surrounding Southern Ocean is equally fascinating. Krill, tiny shrimp-like creatures, form the base of the Antarctic food chain, supporting whales, seals, and penguins. These creatures have adapted to survive in freezing waters, showcasing nature's incredible resilience. Land of scientific exploration. Antarctica is the only continent without a native human population, but it plays a crucial role in scientific research. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, ensures that the continent is used exclusively for peaceful purposes, particularly scientific exploration. Research stations from around the world study everything from climate change to astrophysics. The continent's dry, stable air and low light pollution make it an ideal location for studying space. Telescopes in Antarctica provide unique insights into the universe, capturing clear images of distant stars and galaxies. Melting ice. Antarctica's ice sheet contains 70% of the world's freshwater and 90% of its ice. However, this massive ice reserve is melting at an alarming rate. Since 2002, the continent has been losing over 100 cubic kilometers of ice annually, contributing to rising sea levels. If the entire Antarctic ice sheet were to melt, global sea levels could rise by over 200 feet, submerging coastal cities worldwide. Scientists use gravity data from satellites to monitor these changes. The melting of Antarctic ice is not just a local issue, it's a global crisis, highlighting the urgent need to combat climate change. Antarctica's unique volcanoes. Antarctica is home to two active volcanoes, Mount Erebus and Deception Island. Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano on Earth, is known for its persistent lava lake, a rare phenomenon. Deception Island, on the other hand, has subglacial eruptions, creating a surreal landscape where ice and fire coexist. Despite being a frozen land, Antarctica has its own fire department, located at McMurdo Station. Fires pose a significant risk due to the dry climate and strong winds, making firefighting an essential service for the researchers stationed there. Misconceptions about Antarctica. Many believe that Antarctica is a barren wasteland, but this couldn't be further from the truth. The continent is teeming with life, both above and below the ice. It's also a common myth that all penguins live in Antarctica. In reality, penguins inhabit various regions of the southern hemisphere, including tropical climates like the Galapagos Islands. Another misconception is that Antarctica is completely uninhabitable. While it doesn't have a native population, thousands of researchers live and work there year-round, studying its unique environment. Untapped resources and future prospects. Antarctica's untouched wilderness holds vast resources, including freshwater, minerals, and potential energy sources. However, the Antarctic Treaty prohibits commercial exploitation, preserving the continent's pristine environment. Some scientists have proposed towing icebergs to water-scarce regions, but such projects remain theoretical due to logistical and environmental concerns. As technology advances, the potential for discovering new resources and life forms increases, but so does the responsibility to protect this fragile ecosystem. Antarctica, the forgotten continent, is a place of wonder, mystery, and unparalleled beauty. It reminds us of the power and fragility of nature, urging us to preserve this icy treasure for future generations. If you've enjoyed learning about this extraordinary land, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Let's continue exploring the wonders of our world together.